I can't stop coming back to these, they're so great. Oh wow, oh I gotta have a look at this. I forgot that these were here this weekend. Look at this, we've got cycle cars going around. These are like replica little pre-war cars. They are absolutely fantastic. Look like great fun. Look at all these, there's a few of them. Diverting from the auction temporarily, very skinny tyres. This is the Oulton Park skid pan and it's a glass-lined surface designed to be as slippery as possible. I'm sure these could be a little bit wayward. This looks like great fun. Little like lawnmower engines or something. Oh, I like this one coming up here. These are just as entertaining as the full-size things. I'd love to have a go in one of those. This guy's trying. There you go, opposite lock. I want to build one of these. How can you not love this? Safe to say there's a lot of static displays on today. Classic cars parked up. These are brilliant. This is an interesting body, solid tyres. Yeah, I think they have like lawnmower engines. They're certainly not very powerful, but if you can't afford or have the space for a full-sized car, then they're... I like that one, yeah. Absolutely perfect, really. Someone's made an Auto Union replica. Right, here we are then at Cyclekarts GB. Certainly a few of these around today. I love the Auto Union one. Austin 7's having a good go. I can't stop coming back to these, they're so great. Incredible battle.